All right, so our question was, what is 15% of, oh, excuse me, I apologize. What is the percentage of herbs? Okay, and we already know that there are 15 herbs out of how many? What was our total? Out of 60. Now, that's going to be really hard to make it equal to something over 100. However, if we take this, I apologize. Make this a blank screen. But if we take this fraction of 15 over 60, then work with that, that can help us out to get to the 100. Okay, so what can I divide both of these by? Well, if I don't know anything, if I'm like, oh, I can't think of anything that would go into both of these, I could start with 5, right? They end in 5 and 0. That means it's divisible by 5. 15 divided by 5. Anybody? Anybody? Yes, you. You in the back. Very good. 3. Yes, good. And 60 divided by 5. Well, I know that if I count by 5s, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, that's 12. Oh, well, 3 12s. I can reduce that even more. I can simplify that. I can divide that by 3 and make it its simplest form, which is 1/4. Oh, and I know that if I have 1/4, I can make that something over 100. Or I could draw a box. N just means we don't know the number, but we're about to figure it out. Okay, so you're going to find N, and that'll be on the next slide. Excellent work, little amigos.